Best supernatural occurrences caught on camera. Number 1. Rolling inside the Plattsmouth Museum of Shadows. In Plattsmouth, Nebraska, the Museum of Shadows satisfied its name with events that had the entire town talking. Albeit the establishment has seen something reasonable of paranormal happenings, the scene that staff found from security video film is only chilling. As per Historical Center proprietor Nate Raderman, it occurred on Friday, 2 February 2018, very early on. You'll see a ball being tossed around and moved on the floor, yet no one in this video. The ball is gotten by an undetectable hand, which tosses it across the room. At that point it moves to the focal point of the floor. Nate said the ball is the thing that paranormal buffs call a trigger article, a toy for the powerful, and he accepts the secret phantom could be a kid. The Museum of Shadows is no uncertainty a spooky structure, seeing as it was implicit 1881. Number 2. Mystery ghost seen lurking at a school where 6 people died. Phantom hunters worldwide have had their creative mind caught by the happenings in a Pocatello Secondary School in Idaho. CCTV film shows a spine-chilling ghost wandering the vacant passages around evening time during the Christmas occasions. The school was once gutted by fire, and 6 individuals lost their lives on its grounds, including a little youngster that suffocated in the pool, and paranormal events have since quite a while ago tormented it. Understudies and staff have announced unusual commotions, momentary murmurs, and there's a consistently present dull shadow approaching on the roof of the amphitheater. In the scary clasp, there's flashing as lights turn themselves now and again once more, just before a baffling consider nonchalantly walks around with the hall and enters one of the homerooms. If you like what you hear, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Number 3. Ghost opens transport van doors at bloody Civil War battle site. The evening of Tuesday, September 25, 2018, at the Putnam County Aging Agency in St. Albans, West Virginia, surveillance cameras captured curious paranormal film. At around 1:15 a.m., a vehicle van left on the grounds had its entryway slid partially open. However, no one was in or outside the vehicle. As indicated by Jenny Sutherland, the project's leader chief, the van was found with entryways open the following morning. Staff accepted there had been a theft or an intruder dropped by around evening time and checked camera film for the whole property. Just the van appears to have been influenced, with the clasp demonstrating entryways being pushed open by an imperceptible power. The van somewhat shivers as a lock that makes sure about the entryway inside the vehicle is flipped fixed in the video. This isn't the primary otherworldly event to frighten this present business staff, as the property has a dim past. The maturing program office is situated at the Common War Battle of Scary site, where 19 troopers passed on. Number 4. Man flees home after terrifying face appears in photo. In the wake of catching what he accepts is an apparition in his kitchen, a man ran from his home, a ghostly picture that he later shared on the Reddit blog. He was home alone when he heard what must be depicted as feet rearranging or the garments unsettling through the somewhat unlatched kitchen entryway. On snapping a picture of the entryway, he looked nearer to see a foggy white face with 2 dull eyes looking directly at him. The image sickened the man such a lot of that he's presently searching for somewhere else to live. Also, we don't accuse him. Number 5. Pensacola paranormal investigators get what they bargained for. The A-Team is a lot of powerful agents who complete apparition chases in Focal, Florida and South Carolina. Of these areas in Pensacola, Florida, they've conceded that this one has the most dynamic otherworldly presence. This is likely because of its age and the occasions that occurred there. As per Jill Miller, organizer of the group, spirits will wait noticeable all around any place where there's a horrendous enthusiastic movement. In a home on Pensacola's East Hill, the phantom trackers run over a vindictive soul, caught on the gathering's warm infrared SLS or strain layer superlattice camera. The dull shadowy figure can be seen strolling across the right-hand corner of the video, and it very well may be eased back down to show the layout plainly over Miller's left shoulder.